What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2007 Honda Goldwing. It's the 1800. We're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you can see this thing up close and personal and see exactly what you're looking at with this bike. We're going to jump out here in the back. So your rear tire is good to go, plenty of life left there. I did want to point out here, so you have the, you can see the exhaust sticking out here under the side saddlebags. There's a little bit of rust on the bottom of both of those exhaust pipes. So I'm going to point that out so you knew that was there. Other than that, this bike's in pretty nice shape. It has like a little over 60,000 miles on it, which is nothing for a Goldwing. Got a lot of miles left on this machine, but it will be priced accordingly. So we're in the back here. Obviously you can see you got your tail light here, and then your turn signals above there. Got your license plate mount, and you have your lights up here in the tour pack. Starting on the tour pack, I did want to point out that there is this scratch right here in the tour pack. I do not know what caused that, but it is there, and it is in the paint. So it is all the way through. It's not just like in the clear coat or something that is black below the paint. So that is that. We can open up, maybe. Everything's locked up. So I'll open that up later. But I mean, if you guys are watching this video, you've seen the inside of the saddlebags and the tour pack of a Goldwing before. It looks the same as that. So up here on the top of the tour pack, it's looking good. This paint is a really nice color. I know that it is not a super common color. I believe someone thought that maybe it had been the only year they did this color in 2007. Someone else told me they did another year too, but I know it is not one that you see a lot of. So we got a little mark there. Actually, let's just wipe right off my finger. Got a little mark here right by the light, and a little mark here on this bag. Spin it around a little bit, get some good light on there. You got your passenger floorboard, got your rider peg, got your rear brake. You have your side cover here, that's in nice shape. Coming up to the tank. This bike does have nav on it, which is ahead of its time just a little bit. I know everyone's got it on their phones now, but it is a nice feature to have it built into the bike. We'll see that when we go up by the handlebars. Here on the side of the fairing is looking good. Got some of these marks here on the heads. I don't know what caused that. So it's there, so you know. There's that. Does not have the auxiliary lights, so that could be something that you could put in there if you wanted. Let's jump up here to the top. Obviously you can see the handlebars there. See the back of the mirrors with the front turn signal. You know, got some stickers up here in case you're in the NRA. These colors don't run. AMA, blessed for the Christian Motorcycle Association. Here on the front of the bike, you can see that it is in similar shape to the rest of the bike. I would call it nice shape. There are some little, like, you know, bug juice marks here and there that I'm actually just coming right off my fingers. I thought they were going to be a little bit harder than that. Other than that, this is nice shape. Here's your front fender. Front fender is looking good. I mean, no major imperfections, but it is a 2007. It does have over 60,000 miles on it, so know that. This front tire is pretty low. Looks like they made a lot of left-hand turns on this tire. That would definitely need to be replaced for any kind of like inspection or anything. There you can see your front wheel and your front brake. Give me a shot up in there. There you go. And there's a little bit of stuff there coming off with my thumbnail. There's your front brake on that side. There's some more of that stuff here. Yeah, that's just gonna come right off my finger. Okay, there's that. We'll jump over to this side of the bike. You can see your turn signals up here in the back of the mirror. There's the side of the fairing. There are these heads. Don't have quite the amount of stuff the other ones do, but they do have them kind of in there. So I want to point that out. There's your rider peg, shifter, kickstand, passenger peg. This one does have the, oh no, it does not. It does. Thought that was center stand. Looks like the center stand, but that is not moving for me. So that is that. There's your bags on this side. It does have the heated seat, so there's controls for the rear seat for the heat. It does, has the intercom. There's the rear speakers. Here is the backrest for the passenger. This whole seat is all in good shape. I don't have any rips or tears on any of the seams or on any of the edges or anything. But it is, it's the standard Goldwing seat, but it's a big comfy seat for the passenger, a big comfy seat for the rider. So that is that. You got all your controls for audio. You got controls for your preload, adjust your headlights. Over here's your nav. Got your CB stuff, your CB volume, channel, squelch, volume for the sound system, high beam, low beam. You guys know the drill. Turn this thing on. See the navigation system come on there, and then in here is the fuel cap. Oh, here is the seat heater for the front seat and the grip heater. There you go, 61,605 miles. Plenty of life left on this Goldwing, but that's how many miles it has on it. If you're interested in this bike, this could be a good Goldwing for you to get if you're looking to move into one. Let's fire this thing up. So there is that. Let's make sure these turn signals work. Here in the front, there's a front one on that side, and front one on this side. Jump back in the back. There's the rear one on the left, and didn't hit it. Just turn them off. There we go. And rear one on that side. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2007 Honda Goldwing, the GL1800. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive. Do not miss out on this thing, and thanks so much for watching.